Hi, this is Pilar Kellenbarger with Collecting Our Angels, Nurturing Our Children. So, moms and dads, grandmas, go take a break. And hi, boys and girls, here's another one of the Pigeon books. The Pigeon Finds a Hot Dog with special guest star, the Duckling. And this book is Words and Pictures by Mo Willems. The Pigeon Finds a Hot Dog. Oh, a hot dog. Flop, flop, flop. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Ah, may I help you? Scooty, scoot, scoot, scoot. There's Duckling. Is that a hot dog? Not a hot dog, my hot dog. Ah, I have a question. I've never had a hot dog before. What do they taste like? Well, they are a taste sensation. Each morsel is a joy, a celebration in a bun. If you've never experienced the splendor of a hot dog, you should really. Wait a second. This hot dog is mine. I found it. Of course. Enjoy. Go ahead. Ah. Would you would you say that it tastes like chicken? Can you believe this guy? What? It just tastes like a hot dog, okay? Okay, okay. So it doesn't taste like chicken then? Oh, for Pete's sake. Hey, I'm a curious bird. That's it. It's my hot dog, right? Mine, mine, mine. This is unbelievable. Finders keepers is what I say. I'm a curious bird. What do they taste like? Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, right. I can't take it anymore. What am I supposed to do? I think I have an idea. What do you think his idea is? Oh, you're pretty smart for a duckling. Hmm, needs mustard. Oh, he split it in half and they're sharing it. That's awesome. Oh, do you see it? There it is. So there's another wonderful book by Mo Willems. And don't forget that you can go online and do step by step drawings with Mo Willems. That would be really fun. That would make for a really great art lesson for the day. Making the the pigeon and the duckling. And I also know there's an elephant. So that would be really, really fun. So enjoy your day. Please mind your parents and have a fabulous one. Bye.